Hello, and you're welcome to French class with Annabelle.
Les articles contractés avec la préposition de. From my previous video, we understand that contractions of articles is when the definite article lo and le combine with the prepositions a and do to form new words. I'll drop a link of that in my description. In this lesson, I will be focusing on the contractions with the preposition though, which could be of, from, or about. Now, when though contracts with lo, it becomes do. For example, je parle du garçon. I'm talking about the boy. 2. When though combines with la, there is no contraction. It remains though la. Example, je parle de la famille. I'm speaking of the family. 3. There is also no contraction between though plus L with an apostrophe. It remains the same. Example, elle vient de l'église. She's coming from the church. 4. When though contracts with les, it becomes they. Example, ce sont les clés des maisons. These are the keys of the houses. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, au revoir.